How to reset Discord settings. So if you want to reset Discord settings, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Discord application, or you can just open up it in your browser. Once you open up your Discord, now you just need to simply go with settings, which is here on the bottom left. Go with the user settings, and here on the left side, you will have voice and video. Click on it and then scroll all the way down. Here you will have reset voice settings. You need to simply go and reset your voice settings. Once you've reset, then your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is reset or change the language settings. You need to go with the left side again, and here you will have language. So you just need to simply go in language or scroll all the way down, and you will have reset option. You can reset your language or you can change your language. Once you've done that, your problem will be fixed. That's how you can reset your Discord settings. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.